Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Andrew from Andrew's Auto Freaks. Today I'm going to be showing you a beginner's kit to detailing your car, whereby you can actually get the item from either Lazada or Shopee. It comes in a package and it's basically all you need to start detailing your car in a beginner's level. Okay, this is no way by means any advanced level. So I'm going to show you what is in the kit and what is the use of all certain individual brushes and so on and so forth. All right, so let's just get to it. So basically I'm going to show you the kit right now. Well, it comes in a package like this and it's all wrapped up. So I'm individually going to show you what's in the package. As you can already see, there's brushes over here whereby you can use them, and I'm going to show you one by one and I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Alright, so this is the package it comes in. I'm individually going to take out one by one and show you what's in the package. Right, so first is these brushes right here. So I'm going to take out one by one and it comes in different sizes. This is a boar hair brush. So what does it mean by boar? So please Google that and find out. So for those of y'all who are Muslims, I understand this cannot be used for you guys. So many. So I'm going to show you. As you can see, there are 5 different sizes of these brushes, whereby so I'm going to walk you through what you usually use it for. So I'm going to start from the left hand side, so it'll be your right hand side. So this one is usually for interior. So for interior brushes, which I'm going to show you in the video right now, for mostly interior trims, radios, your center console, all those tight small places. It has a nice comfortable handle that you can reach to, followed by the second size is also for the interior, whereby you can use for your door panels, your control for your windows, and so on and so forth. So usually the small ones are more to interior. This one is actually the one right in the middle, which is medium. You can actually use it in the interior and also the exterior of the car. So this is completely up to you, and I'm going to show you, as you can see right now in the video, these are the uses for interior. And this bigger huge brushes, I usually would say it's for the exterior of the vehicle. So this one is used for the exterior, so you can use it for your door trims on the outside, your grille, your bumper, your light caps, or anything that's on inside and hard to reach, followed by the second biggest one. So this one I will usually use for rims, for tires. You can actually, because it's a wide area that you can cover, so this is for rims. And you can actually use this for like grills and also light trims as well, in front of your bumper, your rear trims, and so on and so forth. And last but not least, the huge mama. So the huge mama right here, I would say this one can be used interior on carpets, on a larger area like a coffee holder, but this one I will not. It's too big, so I'm going to use this mostly on the outside of the car. So now I'm going to show you what else is in the kit. So this right here is a 3-piece Wyatt brush. So this one is for more to your harsh environment, like the engine bay, or in between disc brakes, the brake caliper that you like to clean off a lot of grime or dust. So I usually use this on pretty hard to reach places in the engine bay and hard to remove stains. So it comes in 3 different types, of course. So I'm going to open up and show you. So yeah, it comes in, this one is a metal brush, so it's really hard, really coarse. So for you to like really get out those dirty grime. I would not use this on any body parts or plastic trims. No, no, no. And this is usually for metal parts, engine bay, so any parts in the engine to really remove grime that it's really hard to remove. And this one is a medium metal brush as well, which is good for engine bay. Like I said, I would not use this on any rubber surface or plastic surface on the car. So this one I will keep for the engine bay, like really hard to reach places. And this one is a plastic, which is a bit more safer to use on other areas. Like I said, I wouldn't use all this in the interior of the car. So this one is usually for engine bay or some really hard metal that you're trying to clean in the car. And yeah, so now on to the next item that's in the kit, which is really a useful thing. And here you go. So this one is a really useful brush slash air conditioning vent cleaner. So I don't know, praise the guy, whoever who created this, because sometimes the air vents are the most difficult parts to clean. So as you can see, it comes with this cloth looking thingy that goes across here, and also a brush. So the brush can be used to clean your center console or the aircon vent. And this one right here is I would say a cleaner to actually go through the aircon vent. So I'm going to try to put this back together. Well, so this is how you put it together. So these 3 pieces of cloth microfiber material goes here like this. So it's like a fork way. So it's easier to clean the aircon vents when you actually put it through. Well, this is how you do it on the video. So I've already showed you. So this one goes right into your aircon vents. You can just go back and forth. And this one is to clean the sides. And it's a very useful tool, because sometimes the dust from the aircon vents are really hard to get to and annoying, because it's really in there, and when you try to put a cloth you can't really put through. And so this tool is really useful. So let's get to the next one in the kit. And the next item that's in here, it's a microfiber mitt with these cute looking things popping out. So this one is used to wash your car. So when you wash your car, you can use this microfiber mitt that does not minimizes scratches on your car when you actually wash. So over here you can see, you can just put your hand through and basically use this as a mitt to wash your car. So you can dunk it in the water of soap and then go across the car, and then dunk it back in a clean water, and then come back into the dirty bucket and then use this. So this cloth microfiber mitt thing is for washing car on the outside, and it's really useful. So you don't have to use a cloth and the cloth runs everywhere. So this one, because you have your hand in it, so you have more control of what area is being covered, and it's so much more easier to use. And so yeah, this is also one useful thing for washing a car. And next, voila. So these here you can get in any store out there. So this is actually a sponge, usually used for polishing your car, using any form of polish or any form of wax. So over here as you can see, I use these to actually polish the car. Not actually polish the car, or actually lay a polish and wax. So you just basically get on the wax over here and go around and buff off the paint right after that. So these are all the items that you need to actually detail your car as a beginner. So these are all the items you need to do or start a detailing journey that you would like to start from your home. So I wouldn't say if you want to be a detailer you need to get this. For anybody who needs a basic kit to actually start cleaning your car or detailing your car or washing your car, these are all the items that you need to start with, and it's really easy. The link to the item is basically down in the description. So for those of y'all who are interested to actually get this kit, it's really cheap. It's only about 20-30 ringgit for this whole kit, and click the link down in the description to find out more details on where I actually got this kit. Well, there you go guys, that was the beginner's kit to start detailing or washing your car at home by yourself without any difficulties. And So the link to the items are down in the description below, and so if you'd like to explore more to find out about these kits and many other kits out there, there's actually a lot. So I got this one from Lazada and it's really cheap. It's only about 25 ringgit, 30 ringgit for the whole kit, and it's really cheap. So for those of y'all who want to start detailing your car or washing your car at home with a bit more professionalism, you can actually get the kit, and it's really easy. Mind you, these are actually boar hair, so I understand some of y'all the Muslim friends out there, so this is not recommended for you guys due to the religious restrictions, of course, so I wouldn't recommend this one for you guys. But there are also plastic ones which are readily available, which is the same thing. So I decided to get the boar hair because apparently everyone says it's really good. So again, it's down in the description. Go click and check it out. So before I end this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to know more, of course, hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I make new videos of anything in regards of cars. And don't forget, smash that like button if you like the video. And if you have any questions in regards to the kit on how to use it or whatever, leave a comment down below. I will take the time to reply to you and see how it is, because of course I just got the kit and I gave it a try and it's really cool and it's really easy. So I would definitely recommend this for you guys. Before I end this video, I'd like to wish all my friends out there Selamat Hari Raya, and make sure be safe during this holiday period, and do stay safe at home because of the whole COVID-19 situation. Alright, so take care guys. Once again, never look back and always look forward. See you in the next one. Take care.